Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Princess. Okay, that is my cousin. We are preparing chicken today. I want to show you how my granny prepares chicken in the traditional setup. So watching closely, we are about to the knife on the neck. Ah, I feel sorry for that chicken. Aww. Say hi to Abraham in heaven and Jacob and Isaac. Tell them we are coming. They prepare the way. Imagine this young boy had never fears to kill a hen. And a huge girl like me cannot even hold a knife to do such a thing. Let me know in the comment section if you're afraid to. Oh, the chicken is fighting for life. Oh no. There it's ready for preparation. So that is hot water. It's dipped in there so that the feathers can be easily removed. That is my granny and my little cousin. It's time to remove the feathers and the nails from the feet. Well, it's put on fresh banana leaves, and I'm going to remove that until they're all out. Do you people feel some appetite coming? There, it's done. Final touches. The chicken is ready. There, on the fireplace to burn those remaining feathers, to burn them up. So our chicken will be crystal clear. If that makes sense. Don't know. Do you have grandmothers who prepare like this in your homes? Like the traditional way? Or your people who are full with gas cookers and blah blah blah? Let me know if you wish in the comment section. Technology has really taken away the beauty of nature. So there we are done with the fireplace, and now it's time to cut our chicken into pieces. Watch closely, guys. That is the crop. I guess so. It's usually at the next session where the chicken temporarily stores food. If you've learned about aves, all birds have them. That's the head. We are removing the little tongue like thing from its mouth. You can't eat that. The legs. Done. Breaking the skull of the head. Yeah. Separating the. Hey, not thighs. Oh my goodness. The drumstick. The most fleshy part of a chicken. Ow. And by the way, guys, before we slaughter a chicken, um we put it indoors for more than 24 hours so it cannot eat anything dirty before the slaughter. So it won't have freedom of walking around and eating all those stuff it does eat. I don't know how you do it. Please, if you know this stuff, please let me know in the comment section what you do with your chicken as you prepare it for slaughter. It had a lot of fat. Can you see the yellow stuff? A lot of fat. Oh, yeah, she's cutting the spleen out. You know, I guess it's this. Is it spleen or bile? Because if it gets itself in contact with all the meat, it will be so bitter. So we take it off before you mess around with your meat. Oh my! They are into pieces now. Final preparations. As you can see, Granny's hand is so oily. Please thumbs up if you like this video, any part of it, the traditional setup. Thumbs up. Comment in the comment section anything you want me to do, anything you want me to know of how your culture is, how you prepare. Guys, that is the gizzard. Yeah, we don't eat that. It has the stones. We throw that away. We take it away. Yeah, and with us, we believe that one is only eaten with the older people. Let me know what you do. So our stuff, our chicken pieces are in the fireplace. Yeah, so you wash, you put it in there with no water. You just sprinkle some salt and you cover it. And then after that, you choose what to do with your chicken. You either prepare chicken marinade, you either deep fry it, whatever you want to do with your chicken, guys. That is what you can do. You choose, then you eat it with whatever you want. With us as lawyers community in the western part of Kenya, ugali is ours. That is what we do with us. We must eat it with ugali, or else it won't be anything interesting. So it's over, guys. Please thumbs up and please subscribe. Please subscribe. Love you, lovies. May you enjoy your 2019. Happy New Year, by the way. Happy New Year for the rest of the year. Success, prosperity. Success, prosperity. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.